webs. I got the upper door seals for this C10. And from what I can gather, this is how they go. Focus on there, Jesus. Blowing out with these large upper. Goes like that. Now it doesn't fit. It's impossible to film outside. It doesn't tuck in there. There's an air gap behind there, but that's how it's supposed to go. And to install it is just 3M weatherstrip adhesive. All right, sufficient tackiness. Oh yeah, it's on there. I think the best thing to seal it actually will be just closing the door, and it'll mesh in there. So that's how she goes, from what I can get from proof from the internet. I might as well do the driver's side. The driver's side was still on there, so I scraped it, and it's got a little bit of rust underneath it up here. So we'll tape off some primer and give it some black paint, and then probably just let that set and do this weather strip another day. So this side's all painted up. Been about a week. I'll let it dry. Yada yada yada. And just went to look. I couldn't remember where I started this. Let's back this out. So right, oh, what am I, way up here? Okay. So right at this nice lip they give you right here is where I'm going to start it. All right. And again, I'm using this 3M weather strip adhesive, little acid brush. Get it on there. You got to work kind of quick because this dries or it gets tacky. And that's when you want to put it together. So I'm gonna put some here, and then I'm gonna go put it on the weather strip too. But as you can see, it's already like a sticky goodness. So let me keep that going. Kind of get it in there. I'm gonna tape it. Get some masking tape or painter's tape, so it stays in place for, I don't know, half hour or so. Taping is kind of hard because you're trying to push it in. So I just kind of did this. If you're worried about your paint, obviously, I wouldn't leave this tape on in the sun. Or try some painter's tape. And my crow, he agrees too. He chimed in. Yeah, he's okay. I'll tell him. Don't you worry. And then, like I said, if you shut the door, that really holds it in place. So I'll give it like 15 minutes like this.